So here's a rundown on this XR350R. That's gonna be cool. If you look, it's longer. Yeah. Disc brake. I'm gonna try to get that on there. I imagine that I'm gonna have to do some type of spacerage. Hopefully, it'll be a spacer, not grind. This one I'm gonna need couplings and new bearings, and I'm not gonna be able to use the stabilizer because of the oil in the frame. So that's cool. Go on my 250, and yeah, that's gonna be badass. But hopefully we can put this swing arm on there. But we're definitely putting that disc brake conversion on most def. But I would just, that's gonna be cool. It's gonna make it bigger and longer, and definitely keeping the blue. Yeah, we keep the blue. All right.